We recently traveled to Tanzania for safari. On our last day and on the way to the airport, we had a chance to stop at the Arusha Coffee Lodge and have lunch. This is a beautiful, beautiful location. It was raining when we got there, and we were a little early for our lunch, but we did get to tour the grounds a little bit and see some of the beautiful gardens and well-maintained landscapes at this beautiful facility. If you're enjoying this video, we'd encourage you to check out some of the other videos in our Africa playlist. And we'd appreciate your support by subscribing to our channel. And while we didn't get an opportunity to stay overnight at this lodge on this trip, it seems like a perfect location to start or end your safari adventure in Tanzania. We did take a few pictures from their website to include in this video. The lodge has 18 plantation rooms and 12 plantation suites, gourmet restaurant, and a swimming pool. We had some time before our lunch reservation, so we decided to take a walk over to the gift shops we had heard about, and were surprised and pleased to find this wonderful Shanga Workshop.
Shanga is a Swahili word which is for beads. You know beads? Beads? Yeah, so Shanga is a Swahili word for beads. It's a social enterprise which is here basically to empower and employ people with disabilities to make different kind of handicrafts using different kind of material, such as weaving. We do use cotton. We have the tailoring, which we also do use local fabric to make different kind of stuff. But also the good things, we do use recycling material such as shirty, boat rubber, and the pieces of glass to make something new, which we do have the glass blowing over there. And we also do have the aluminum department, which does make wind charm and gift bag using newspaper. So you can see how we do use recycling in different departments, which we do have 5 of them here: weaving, tailoring, Shanga itself, that's blowing, and aluminum, which is the last department. So I'd like to take you in so as you can see all by yourself. Thank you. To make scarves, blankets, table mats, napkins, and handkerchiefs. Also sometimes we do dyeing in the cotton thread so as to get different color before weaving. So we can make a good product like this one. See? You can come in like. Yeah. So stuff like this, with the blanket, that's one over there. We do make million stuff. Here is what we call tailoring, which they do use rubber barbecue to make different kind of stuff. Also, they do use botic to make like shirts, gowns, some sort of kind of that. Also, they do use them to make a necklace like this one. You can see, which they do mix with glass bead and the glass blowing. Welcome again. This is the Shanga. The beads. See beads? Yes. Here they do use beads to do different kind of stuff, such as Christmas intro, Christmas tree, like this one. We call it Christmas tree. The Christmas intro are this one, but they're not finished. But we do have the beads. And then the blue one, blue. Kind of that one, like that, blue, like blue. During the day, we actually use oil to power the heat. You will feel the hotness when you are building there. Yeah. hobbies or animation. We speak about how the animal bond relate most of the time. Two newspaper.
Oh,
As you
two.
can see, yeah.
Okay.
The newspaper to make.
Nice.
It depends on the size.
After the tour, which was very interesting, we visited this wonderful gift shop. It was the first time we were in Tanzania that we were in a gift shop where we didn't feel pressured to buy anything, but really wanted to. They had beautiful, beautiful handmade items that were made at the workshop in very reasonable prices, and we did buy a couple of items to bring home. We would have purchased more if we had more room in our luggage. Visiting Shanga was a totally unexpected experience. We hadn't planned. We're really happy that we had a chance to take the tour and see this wonderful workshop. While we were on our Shanga tour, the rain stopped and our lunch was ready, and we were able to eat a wonderful lunch outside. We would definitely recommend this wonderful restaurant and location for a stop sometime during your time in Arusha. The Shanga Workshop does have an online store, and it is possible to order items from them online.